Hello everyone. Tag Yaramo wear belly face, which is Jpac. Tag Yaram wear belly face. Share the program as you're joining, please. Tag Yaram wear belly face. Biasonom Ranzu. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where you're watching me from. Biaranzu. Tag wear belly face for me. Na Jpac. Tag Ahabo below with the boy has got the two names. Jpac. Wear belly face. That. Other like you could take to lume. Other like you could take to lume. And they want to come again with your propaganda and lies. And then when I greet you guys, please share this video. Jpac. Other like you could take to lume. And they want to come and deceive people again. Jpac. Wear belly face. Governor Ogechi, ex-convict, E.T. Wait though, ex-convict. Did you hear that one set of iti body boss, one jobless iti body boss like you, but again I'm sorry you bugi because imeru wala mheke ni meremu nje bugi. Imakwana enwere opportunity ibu kan eburu mi ya wuru ge. Gini kam ge eburu gi for? Muna gi who is dealing with each other? You and I, who is dealing with each other? I am asking you. Njebuki. Gini ki ne memi njebuki. The only thing is that if I take ako, mashige hapo ako. Which I know that ako is capable. All I was doing and all I'm still doing, come kill your people that ain't at to shame. So now, when I go, you got chibugi. I'll give a chibu come got chibugi. HM Megara school. I thought you got a school. Madubagi here, you ask for evidence. And you go to the camp of my enemy that will never speak anything good about me. And you believe in any jackals that comes out of their mouths. And you said you are white. I have had it. I have had it from here. I have had. Fuck you. In Togare home important. There is no need of wasting it. And when all give one a chon de gabatrangi sag on my behalf, on your behalf. Iti body bomb. Iti body bomb that looking for one thing to say or another. You believe it. Anyway, you believe and so what would you do about it? Okay, now I don't claim say me talk. Now, what are you going to do about it? Again. I thought you guys say you guys are writing petition in Chicago. Petition I thought to Jpac. He's looking for my address. Come on, God, Jomo. Mwari very open to give. Ye gentleman, more bash. And we him game meli. More bash that him tear that this blew up. And we have game meli. Why can't you? I thought you are matured enough to go and ask for evidence. But because your feeling are too clouded with Ogechi, you will not ask a proper question. Iwiti. Eskon iwiti. Imbali ife. Ichanan one day just Omasha wonder. Unune Omasha webola celebrity that I had up go hotel and 100,000. or 20,000, 30,000. It's a much I want to put a hand queen. Eh? I can see if I'm talking about you like I'm not about to show. Make you picture. If he show for you, saying that me you they refer to. Show my picture. Don't you know that I have a lot of enemies that can come and support you when I will start to deal with you? That's what you need to do. Be proud to be woman enough to come out say that me you they refer to. Simple. Because all these people now, me and them don't get beef. They don't saga me, I don't saga them. But I've never spoken to you before. And you don't want it. You can see my ignore button. You don't want it. You are just a person I talk. But if you say you short for me, short for you, and you get wings, you can fly more than your people. I will not give you the fame you're looking for here. I won't. I'm a drag ya so call your remaining poverty life away. If you say you short for you, carry my picture, say Ogechi, I am talking to, because my name is not Ogechi Urerere. My name is not Ogechi Chicago. My name, I'm not the only one that is Ogechi that lives in Chicago. I'm not the type one people that lives in Chicago. Ogechi Okeke had 1 billion. They reach 1 billion. I know born imbecile. I no get child for imbecile. My name will not be Ogechi Chicago. I am not all those rubbish that you know, just to remain relevant. If you know it's sure for you, say you be woman enough. Those women nde owereshige omumwoka me gojiri. Nda hudigage and those call chief. What do you say na me? Show my picture. Say na me you educate everything where they talk say na me. You want to go? Show them say Ogechi, I am referring to you. Let me even. You want to go? If he show for you, try me. Or just my nothing. Try me. I question you here. You my camera. Show my picture so I will know who you are referring to. And I'm at Madojo. I'm begging for me to Olagojo. And if I strike your page, may I never live to enjoy anything I have worked so hard for. I will not strike your page. That's what I'm Shigitoman saying. I mean, you where you talk to. Because without it, I don't know who you're referring to. Am I mad? I'm going to need a figure to. You're mad around Zumbiko. Your noise is too much. Your noise is too much. There are many ways to kill a rat. There are many ways to kill a rat, which is, I know that you are very easy to apprehend. But if it's all for you, repeat what I'm saying, I mean, where you talk to. No cap. I'm gonna get my golden wine and wine, and then what I go. You go on that uncompleted child at the moment. I get not today every day. I got the wooden. You go video ram. That uncompleted building make a sure get come on. I am also the cheapest thing any go with it. Voila. You go there, go video. And also you go to my maternal home. We go home and down and away. I'm not from a poor family. Both my mama and my papa, we are okay. We must not be the richest, but we are okay. We are contented. If we show for you, try come. This is a connection. No more can give it. When I get to talk about wine and wine, you be now woman to woman. But if you cannot do it, that would you are not capable. We can deal with you in a different way. You are not capable. You want to go? You're not capable. I should want to be him. You have to do it too. Ishina nega bam nega school. Anyway, one more can I mama onye na agba. And to get on the followers means the what people I'm referring this master to. What I go? I promise you, give her promise you can. They no promise you pass within the promise can. I'm just giving you an advice. They no promise you, I got your back. I will be there for you. Don't worry, nothing they happen. What I go? If it's sure for you, because I've never talked to you before, and when more time okay, I don't notice you, you don't want it, and when here like no one what maybe no. Nothing in the life, I don't notice you. But you've been ranting for years, and people keep calling me and say, it's not me. It's not me you're referring to. So I just want to make it clear today for you to understand. Say, ya wuru mi hito rula henwanyi. Huna tension each other come negi you no go get them. There are many ways to deal with somebody like you. Watala? So if you don't do it, that means you can't cap. You are just I shall watch your bag you go every night. All completed all showing in hammer the color of your body. I have put now him on one phone. Because if you have not go there, man be Jima and gone. Man be Jima show one completed. It's uncompleted because he janya get there. You want to go? Celebrity bia. Uno eja ku gona. Soro mi lepo man here. Play Chineke Ogechi don't. Ai Chineke. Negam hanami. Eja ku lo go hotel je na arage. If you know you are referring to me, there is no need of all this ranting. Go and make a video. Show my picture. She like this gay weapon. Kambara gi movie. Je Junior obodo ha fa. Oga kotoro gi small. Kambere gi blue movie. Ipete na madon. That's it. Madon akale madon. Kanda hu chizi jego. That supports you to come out. More time. So anybody where you run video for, that person should tell you, say, okay, say, I know they notice you don't exist. You who maka made more young one. You who my cashiers on my car on a mono. So now wasting of time. So if it's show for you, try me. See my picture. Come on, Benabun Kebuke. Now, Jpac. Now get in here. Like I have left Nigeria for all of you. You know, you guys know I'm not coming. But as far as I leave, and all of you decide, don't Ogechi. Make una come here, come carry me. Because as of me, Nigeria is a no-no for me. So I am a homo bash. What if you come to Nigeria now? Come to Nigeria. Oh no, sir. Say I know they come. Make una know they ask me make I come. After all, na say una go petition me. After no lichana only no nearly. So when I go carry on our wahala come here. You want to go? So if you know it's sure for you, Jpac, carry ex-convicts. Now all of you now come here. Come check. Because I see no reason why I'm gonna rant on social media. Now so ex-convicts say, "I no go bala. You no go mpagala. I will play the video. They will come and arrest you. Now rant. I didn't make any noise. They disturb our peace. Every day you could disturb our peace. Get a Jpac. Una need to stop. Let me show picture of people I'm talking to. This is how to know that you're talking to so person. I know they come. All actual me lota na ma lota. Fabru Nigeria fakam no here. Na here me and them go to dig aram. After all, na here I talk waiting I talk. So why are they waiting for me there? You don't be here I talk waiting I talk. So why waiting for me in Nigeria? Aunga kam ne kuga. Na Chicago. So why must they wait until I come to Nigeria? Oh, Uncle Hagara America came my 50 years or Batago. When Hagara America came my 100 years or Batago, why are they expecting me? I won their generation. I am their family member. Am I their family member? Why is it that Momo came out through? Man, Shibo, okay? Okay, to come back to Nigeria. Come back. I am not coming. Generation uncle until you better below you poke me Charlotte. Una she be ya lota. Eh? Now, as convict, I don't take up to it. Say I won't permit you. Now do your worst. I don't tell them now. Say I won't permit you, and your permit actually. I'm not going to permit yourself. Are they the best way to permit you? Where is the best way to permit? I don't understand. What is it? Talk. I don't agree saying me talk and what will happen? If I mean, gonna get me escom, gonna get me, what's it go happen? I just remain my head game. Say, I don't agree because you were a fool. I don't hear them. He's not the only person saying it. Now I am confirming it. What will you do? I am reconfirming it, telling you, saying everything I thought. What will you do? Can you get me? See me trouble. HMSH got a school. HMSH got a school. You did not ask for evidence. You did not ask for anything. But I thought you was asking me evidence. Here, after when you go Jpac side. I thought you was, and you cannot step up and ask evidence. Can you susu? Otamene na lebu monom ni kubu okwage. Oboroko aho ahia kwago luta age by mistake cheshi iwo oboroko. Nandi anama abia. Nandi is a choice. Let them feel important as I want to hospital. Me personally say that I ain't coming. If you want to feel like I can come, feel like I can come. I said I'm coming. Is it not my decision? I have decided to stay back here. No need to fronting say you go come, you go come. I am not coming. If they like, let them feel like president of Nigeria. It's none of my business. But I can operate legal system there. Get a dog in a court for 6-7 good years. Ego gabo. I like him trouble. Yeah, we marry open. Don't give for complete 6 to 8, 10 years. Edge my like case. Because all lawyers appearance fee. Okay, I make 7 of it a day in Nigeria. That's no problem. My doggy. Dorieki, they spend Diego. It's my like people spend Diego on a case. Yeah, I know Katalakta. Magic police in the I renew. That's it. Anyana doya Nigeria can no money make it. What a nonsense. Hey, Chief okay, didn't Abadara de request got to join. I don't know whether his network. You know, Facebook is fucking up now. Even I'm surprised that people can even be able to watch me. Facebook is going through a lot. People know they even gave you. Some people know go log in. Some people know, hey, first lady did it too much. When any day you decide to come to Nigeria, it's nobody's on him. You know? I should come. Oh, I will be sure. I will show you. Get out. You want to go? My doggy. They spend 2 ego. It's my like in the lawyer. Every day, prosperous day. Every day. Gano rona. John de kemona hanomba dona. Na do. I na hear 6 to 7 years. And 118 ego. That's only when you cripple a man by financially. Yeah. All the worst talk he got done matter. The worst talk he got done matter. Dunya who financially, the worst thing. You want to go? If I don't get money, I go call myself girls. Please, will I go nyena mo lawyer today? Ego like anu rea, mwe ko shoke me. Mega kanga nyena mo lawyer ego. Ndala. My creep work financially. And I told you small. Because all this ranting, ojenye mi sobo. Yes, I think I'm guarantee lo. I think I'm guarantee la. And I ranti gana ibushi picture she inwe he game. Where he can, me personally, I am not going because share a video when money here in a face in a Facebook on a Instagram we share a video because even even yesterday I tried to go live. The thing I hear, but no life I know they see anybody, but I managed to go live from going to school no more. The water go and when he can make matter when it comes to financial get creep what people through financially uja for hey. Which are give me a no problem. Oh, when is the court day? Okay, don't worry. I like it. The lawyer. The lawyer got more myself for postpone the court is 2 days to come. The court is 3 days to come. The third of a free from what can the work put call na point I be. I shall put call na point I be. I don't understand you. Hold on. Let me block this idiot. Oh yeah, fuck off. Chinga for. Fuck off. What I go? Na point. See, put body. What I go? Give put to body moja no. Imagine the la Nigeria where my rice. I don't know. DSS is on ground for you. Security mbao. Make gonna carry DSS. DSS when he kept one of you. DSS when he kept one of you. We hate me and don't come. DSS when he kept one of you. We don't like me and don't come. Real Nigeria man here. Embrace it. Make it sugar on. I know the sugar me. A show hot on my mayo. Me enjoy. Get when Giga in Nigeria got but many one of my. One got your hand on my child like a banana on my show. That happened. Many one of my house. Got on a bemon in case in danger in my main one room last year. No problem. Got no chagayo, but I know they go. Let's pray for Black American soldier. They are going through a lot. Nobody is going through shake them. Go and sit down. Okay, just relax for America. Any day your spirit. Thank you. You are a great queen goddess of our day. Okay, the Nemo. Imama Fuma. Onyam. Okay, any day you visit Nigeria, I will give you two lawyers. 2 lawyers. I need 2 lawyers. And with the rugged ones. I need the rugged ones. And this they all come. You know that I'm with a team of lawyers. Nah, if I'm not watching Facebook camera, when the reality go say it. Ha! Get watching video. Okay, I'm not meeting. I'm about to get back. Today come for CP. CP is not picking up the phone. But then you know say this word you get part 2. Chief she be got no long. E be no chief she manu here. Ngba nneke ke me. Ba go na room kam na give me fan me give chief and go diga do na ka chacha ga ho. You know, but chief she CP na as a phone ya o. Nne enwere ka ị ga-eme nnọọ ka ịchọ onye gị na esere okwu ka gị na ma gị amata na story ahụ ọla 20 ndị mgbọdọ ka m eke enwe so naanị gị nwere ndị mgbọdọ ka m enwe m oge chọrọ ai oge Nigeria ka ị ga ya akparị ala gị onye ọla akparị ya shi mgba yọma Adam alọ oke ebiela agha ebiela I could don't chop bush meat where the ex-convict village finish. He there on Facebook they rant. That the one make you okay yo. I can be married no get him. And kenga pastana. Oh yeah, una hit ya na bo. Hit ya na bo. Get Nigeria with it. Ghana you onyara. That's the fucked up part of. And the worst majority of them are broke. Go Nigeria, it gets worse. Nah. I'm calling him to be here. I have been a man jacker. And when that drunker, can't get a drug. That's that cocaine sniff and Edwin Igbo. That cocaine sniff, that man, that kakai. The arrest, the arrest, they say the arrest can not fake. Pure fake. Well, let them come and swear with their life, say now the arrest not true. Everything we arrange. Any arrange. Nobody lie. Now they want to make Ken to start trending. There is nothing wrong with that, but they should not deceive the general public. Everything now. I made a video. All Facebook was stopping me yesterday. I could have come live. I made a video. I posted it, but in my Facebook subdue it because of everything now lie. There is nothing like arrest. Look at onye neme mother or onye na Ken de nama or when echiche na Ken ego or wunde no na group and help Ken can arrest. Why do people keep giving people false narrative? And do not do on social media for a long. See, I can create content and make it and let you know that it's a content. But deceiving people in this surface is one thing you don't do. Be real. People to believe in what is not right. Okay, alright. No need. I am Otilo. Una Drolande Maduna with their little emotion online. People when we do the issue, their brain, they see everything is fake. Even the arrest, you cannot handcuff anybody. No, it does not work anymore in Nigeria. You see, you put handcuff. That one is a no-no. That is the human rights violation #1. That one self should tell you, say, make una know they do this fucked up RNG. You see that handcuff? Everything a planned deal. But that is not the normal way to trend the Ken. You know this failure so baraga. I'm not saying you should not associate with them all, but tread with caution. Can somebody have people Nigerian police and make case with that police arrest? I am being honest with you. In a high jump where trouble will find you come. And when the people are had a big go, everybody must not be like Ogechi. Tread with caution, oh. I am telling you. If you will remember few months back, very dark man wore police uniform came out on social media. Amami home in the police are Korea. Ken, you know, get loud voice, so those people are connected like so. I have to tell you the truth. Be very careful. In the police are a very dark man. No, you were police. Game something. And Manachineke is on another thing. He has to come and render apology if in the case is still in process. They will take up that prank. Show that policeman that thing made that thing. But then they will take file. Only she go to know where you will take file. Draw the crime committed. By then they'll query you. The reason why I'm telling you this, don't allow these people that want tomorrow now. That's drug addict kogene. Mama mwani ochula Nigeria. Ama woto mmanyo wo putaka ejigi na beme wa commercial. Oh, another thing they play. Go and mark. Save this video mbrage. All these things is to create awareness. Tomorrow now, we are belle face I will ambassador too. Biabu pute no manya kunu rebu omunu. Kunu rebu omunu na manya. If actually kunu me say free ad. Akwe no one show now free ad when una go dey do. Kana kuri unu. You guys should stop deceiving people. Look at it. Look at the Ochicha ungra drug unwe na Germany. Get make arrest again. Only gina head, only gina na pa. Opota G bossless corner na kwa ya na oguri na koyeri. It don't show you mad arrest. Even video na one place, it did not contact the person. Let's analyze this very well. Unu nine the chanam, all of you, because of Ogechi, because all of you are my enemy. So una they gather on ourselves. To make so una go gather on ourselves. All of you guys are my enemy. I know. So all of you, here me. Here me. Oh, me no nyeka semoku. Ndeka ni na wujo here. Ndeka ga po. Back in Lagos because so he kapari ahụ ngru ya na drug na-eme. Back in Lagos achọ m meet gị. You no get ya. You got to be careful. That all one reconnect unu niile. Na me they reconnect una no the love una say una the love. Na me they can do all of una. Onye na-eme ni. Onye una drug contacted where belle face. Onye share jail ike because of me. They did not know in a mutual ground, all because they have common enemy, which is me. Now, the only thing to give themselves to hope, Ogechi, and the plan together how to bring Ogechi back to Nigeria. He will try the irony of it. Now, that's drug addict. A problem. Hey, come on! I will welcome you in Nigeria with an open hand. I will protect you. I will give you life. I will protect you. Ogechi is my. Now me they make them they kiss us anybody. Me. How I know to onye? Maybe the other person go. Hey, how would you about? Ogechi is Ogechi. How will Ogechi? They know they care what's in them. So, he got now. Tomorrow now, Ken got put mewe add. Now that's useless money. Jpac, where belly face, and the ex-convict, all of them planned it. Ex-convict planned it. That stop 0 minus O, so plan ya. Jpac so plan ya. All of them now you said, Nehuru video, now this drug addict platform. Can you question me? You reach out to him, right? She accusing him in but you put a video. But what another person? But what another person? Because him and I can't with a problem. God divert everything. Kiji draw people's attention. God divert all your subo. Can people pay attention? Get you about views. Oneka putaku ex-convict putaku okay ya. Top 0 putaku okay ya. Unu create publicity. Can. I will advise you as a sister, but I will not tell you what to do. What I go? Muwage nyegi advice. I say you must see me as your enemy because you surrounded yourself with my enemies. I don't have problem with that, but game into Ashi onye yiri hejiri call you no. O wache ma chibi achibi. Be guided. Be guided. You know these people. Jpac is not coming close. He coming close to you because Ochoroki mere something. Bara yonya saga. Create your content without getting involved to displease anybody. Even with a lot of outstanding enemies. I'm trying to be honest, you. I'm trying to bring you in, cheap pilots. I'm trying to bring you in. Iya hana pagina. Haga shigage. Shigagi, maybe. Be very careful with these people. Many people are still angry with you. Stay away from anything against Sobu. I just have to be honest with you. Because common enemy here will get you. And then another person will go their target, which is Akon. I'm just telling you something you should know. But they cannot go and challenge Akon. But they cannot. Cheap a lot. I don't think that your account is active. I don't know whether it's network. My brother, I'm trying to tell you the truth to money here. Use your sense. Again. I'm not saying that because nothing lasts forever na this blue app. Or an aquari oko banagi make a matter in another part of the world. I don't know whether you will use another account. On hena shinagana ho. Gana boya papa J. Nebeanka. We know all these things are planned deal. But don't allow anybody to use you. Ex-convict in a Jpac wear belly face. Where they carry and scatter his ike. Where refuse to do tests. Be careful with these individuals that want to use you against their enemy. I know what I'm telling you. These people are going no shit. I can't talk about bushmeat in and go about. Still, all can now. If you can make it triumph. Where she a man of pablebe diku pume. Man of pablebe diku pume. Touch that area. Kabage. In fact, him here game maybe. You know be say you know. I want a maro Emma. You sabi. Emma go to you know. But you can use you know so ne kono. I can be menka. And when he I don't know why people don't follow your trend. The thing he you want. Hey, this election, I will go to court. Hey, this election, because the job no yashi oga punu court oh. I don't know what is happening in Jpac too. The whole thing is, I'm trying to add you, but I think it's network. What I do? I couldn't touch a bush meeting in and go pala. Go to Rias water, go to Rias water because bush meat that don't know. What I do now? In Pawagi this scene for you to be careful. This one no na Germany. Mama bara catapult balata o shona bari create man look at akwa wunde na agba mmanya nketa na mmanya na damage kidney akwa wunde na agba mmanya wo na mmanya na damage kidney aya fuck off shinga for otilo you want to go and be careful with me muna ya worry muna ya na akpa muna ya careful with me now Igara, Nagiji para me arrest Kiko, everything na planned, everything washipa. Ken has been communicating with that drunkard though. They have been in good time. Everything are all lies. Abaraka postu, he post to get this or something. Abanka pataku, but we know they want to create awareness so your page will boom. There are many content and now. There are many content to create. Don't deceive people at a point. People are being choriji your mistake again. Can you open the same arrest bad problem na Senegal? Somebody can intentionally petition that arrest to find out that just to make case with you for no reason. Somebody police here bury me prank. The police in a very dark man warning. Go and watch that video. Oh, you was calling on WhatsApp. Hold on. Nah, man, what is going on? Hold on. I won't call you go. We chat all the kind of a bad network there. Let me call you. I'm calling you now. Go she na my place. I don't know. What's going on? Everything is okay now. Let me go. Check my account on my phone off and turn it back on. Violent men here create a fake account and I go. So, Ken, Don't allow them to make somebody will just wake up, try to make a case for no reason. A man who petition just to harm you, just to treat. In fact, stay away from things that has to do with law enforcement, because they will still tell them nega langa before na Senegal. I know what I'm telling you. The reason why I'm telling you this, you can remember everything in Mbarage one day. They will still remind them that a garanga, you have become a convicting felony before. How they would describe it. But any day present the case in a court, they will remind the court they galanga before. Now one African country. Lawyer back to yeah. A man record. Stay away from anything that has to do with law enforcement. You may not understand what I'm saying until it start happening. Until they stop connecting dots, one or two together. Back in Nigeria with a law. You know these free fools that gather around you. Jim took him a forget about this rubbish. I service help. Be very careful. And Eziokwu. Ogechi, you will see maybe your greatest enemy or whatever. You think Ogechi has not forgiven you. But who can what I get today? Go and write it one place. Or when you need a how make it take you one day? I got drag it to court. Somebody put on a make sure I got drag it to court. I want that in a case, they will go and get your 5 case. Na Senegal, attach here together. Back again, matter. Na Nigeria gashin you were threat to their people. I am only trying to save you. I know how these things work. If you like, you follow. If you like, you allow this. I force spam would you have Jpac. Go deceive because utterly build the page. That shows I know what I'm saying. Bala some degaka. No asimu bwenye. No where they want to build. Find a way to recreate content. Nigeria. They are offering you help, but there is no problem. But they make it ban and law enforcement in Nigeria. I know why I'm telling you this. You will tell him back one day. I know what I'm saying. Be very careful. Watch your back. Play smart. Use your brain. They would like to use you against their enemies. Don't be a sacrificial lamb. Say when they can brugi henobi. To date, I'm just being honest. I know they come. I'm not coming, so no need of waiting for me. I'm not there. Hello? Hey, church, how they connect work? I am not coming. So asking me to come, they can go with me in a low pute. And I'm not there. Ebola munzo gunu ke we Eziokwu. So, join another thing, but I will keep. Network with the very bad network with the bad cha-cha. I don't know. I'm calling you again. Okay, now it's ringing. Hello?
Darling.
Hey,
no mama.
How far? Why am I? Can't come in.
Now this program in a run. Because it might be before I give for that thing. It was to go out around, you know.
Yeah,
and you couldn't. Yeah, you didn't see that post. I called Alicia. I even did the first video. I was speculating that I would name the arrest Eziokwu. Or I set here up. And when they post through that thing first, when they set here up. And I would that thing. I can see I got Nigeria because you never can tell who will. Then later, there is a video. And I want to watch the video. And then it was a prank. And as I had to do video this morning, Nigerian police, they need to stop all these content creators abusing the uniform, abusing the office of Nigerian police, making the whole world see them as if they are that evil, they are inhuman, they treat human beings like animal. I had to speak out. Now, I've gone to check and do evaluation on the pages. Guess what? I did not see that video on Edwin's this thing. Platform anymore. All the posts he posted, he took it down. Now you see how smart Jpac is. Jpac went to copy this thing. Governor Eziokwu posted it, so he didn't take the screenshots from Governor Eziokwu's platform. He took it from Edwin. Now, Governor Eziokwu said it was a boss lady that arrested Ken. Edwin never stated.
It was all planned deal. They wrote the scripts and they acted.
And then Governor Eziokwu, to see how they deceive the public.
That is the thing.
The boss lady on the phone. So what are they educating?
Chacha. It should not borrow the woman online. The woman is shaking.
Upload the woman online. I have it on screen record.
The woman is shaking.
I recorded it. The woman are now back. Now I'm even truly.
See him. Can you send me that screen record? Let me play it now. You see what I'm saying?
My sister, I'm not wanting the share.
All the kids try and request here. Keep play your life here now.
All you not try and request. Now I'll see can't talk about that life. My network is just messed up. That I'm so happy because I even told Alicia that that's we had Alicia this morning, and I said that later we'll talk Sabia because anytime I know our reality talk show, I may post topic and they will take that topic and run with it, and at the end of the day people will not engage. So I said to myself, if we are going to start again our reality talk show, the topics we have, we will not post it until we come out on that day to talk about it. Now, I'm a Neymar about this thing.
I'm not
the thing, mate, we Alicia say, you know, I set up against Oge Futana Biasi, Ken, I told you that when you come to Nigeria, he's that or Akuzayon, because they were blaming Akuzayon. Now, all Wunduka, and
Nina will set up here opportunity. This Jpac could have put on big Ariowe and all Wunduka. This useless, hopeless idiots. And the Ken are being used. Ken are being used. Ken, I know what I'm telling you. Hey, I know what I'm telling you, Ken. Oh.
And if police people JBJ for that video now, all the people involved.
I know what I'm telling you. I know what I'm telling you.
Why are they misleading the public? Is Nigerian police that evil that they just go and handcuff? Who was recording that video? Because if you check the person recording it, the shadow was showing from every pillar. They're recording until they enter the vehicle. Who instruct? Why are they tarnishing the image of the Nigerian police? I don't understand. From this thing, mate, Oge should not say anything because Ogechi is the target.
No. Because I know it was fake. I know it was a fake.
I've not forgiven you.
For what? Why would I say that? I'm fake forgiveness. And you don't say I don't pretend.
Look at the people who are there, the 2 heads or the 3 heads who are there, who say, Abramono, they were just expressing that, but God just disgraced them. That
let them keep deceiving the public. Let them keep fooling themselves. Now then go jump into it.
I just don't understand every little thing. I need police. I need dent the image of Nigerian police as if they are nothing, as if nothing. They don't amount to anything apart from harassing citizens. You understand? Now they said, okay, Governor Eziokwu brought the lady in. The lady now
see the scripts you had there. You know how she does the streets.
I'm just coming back from work. That Ken did that, blah 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 blah. So I just noticed that the whole thing was staged.
Watching the video. Why are these people so cheap? They can even put up this drama very well.
I forgot me out before. What we are talking the woman and the amazing all prank. Then Julia gonna called. Now called there and was saying over $1 million plus. About tickets. Now even that woman in London, they were calling her all sort of names, but I had to also forgive. So my sister, I know what you mean. That by going through trauma, even police came to our house to come and put some alarm.
Wisdom. Wisdom.
woman in London has been saying this. I'm not a this woman. All the money on the UK that cannot take like
you can easily think before you talk.
My face.
Hey.
Understand? I'm not for the boss lady. Okay, the how I knew that it was all fake. Number one, Edwin, they say they got it from his platform. Did not put boss lady. No, the other one came out, put on his platform. Governor Eziokwu said a boss lady is your there.
Then how do they promote Onyamuramu? They are promoting all their useless.
So my man now went to Princess Rookie. You understand? Or sleep for chi. Because I knew that there are women that can actually offend them. Then after a while, then mother sent them video Jpac. People now say, boss lady, I'm okay, hang on. Boss lady, both of you are saying boss lady. And you say you got the video from Edwin. Edwin never said boss lady. Then the government could have run a program, not boxing the boss lady or send him number. I can't call her. She now answered. Or now, they asked she, why are you calling me? I'm going to off this one. So I said, okay, no, don't have the so
drama. Blandel, how did they are?
Can I call you off camera? I say now that I'm already here, you could be talking. Oh my goodness. Oh my, so immediately they are noticing here now. There was a video. Is it really a video? Yes. I'm not going to analyze the video. That was when I saw the last thing, the false information, and how they are portraying Nigerian police. That is why AGK came. I was not analyzing that. How did they know?
I'm trying to bring you in. I don't know what is happening. Bad network. I'm trying to bring you in.
Bad network. But network the bad. You know, so when I now analyze this in this morning, maybe I'll be very lucky and I'm outside the Nigerian police on that video. I think I don't want to be putting all those their pictures there and all that. They are tarnishing Nigerian police image. They need to stop. They need to stop because they want to feed themselves. Another, my brother Ken, Biko, I wish you all the best in Nigeria. My brother, trade with kill because your enemy is around you. We Yoruba people, they say cockroach for idea for no one. That's even when you bitter leaf, no need make bitter leaf. The inside that is bitter leaf is inside that bitter leaf. So you need to be very careful because it's obvious they want to use it to trend.
Yeah.
Like today now, our brother Edwin that has not been having view, you can see that his view rose to 10,000 views on the live video he did today. They are using you to create content. My brother, you have a star. Come and start doing your thing. People will watch. People will follow you. You don't need to abuse anybody. You don't need to take one nonya. You've already made name for yourself. Now trade with your name. Don't allow anybody to use your name to climb again. It's just like everybody's using Ogechi Okeke Njaka to climb. If they call Ogechi, they will get view. If they say Ogechi Okeke, they want to come and watch them, they share. As long as Ogechi or Onyarena London, IVF is involved, or Juko Japa is involved. Only the person that Jpac is involved. They want to come and watch. You understand? So my brother came. God wants to lift you. Because the wise, don't allow them to use you to climb. They are trying to use you to climb to build their pages. Because right now, no more saga. Anything now. So they are view out the wago. Have you had a total gesha again? So that can get you for her.
I'm a boy now.
If you don't raise alarm, Ogechi.
Now, Judge Alec, they want to add it part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Part 5. But the way into the main, see, this is fake. To avoid this long thing, that was what was about to happen.
Immediately. So Edwin that was saying that somebody arrested Care. Now a house isn't already when you make arrest. Why are they deceiving the public? Why can't they just create something meaningful that is educative? And kind of happen this saga in Abana drag in the model and all the slides. But no. Also, you create police. At the end of the day, they don't know that they are tarnishing the image of the police.
Oh, no lie.
You understand? I'm so happy you spoke about this. And we're topic that I discussed on Sunday. We need the free. Let's start back our reality talk show, and then we'll have topics that we know we discuss in and then present it to the world, and people can call in and contribute and give their opinion. Because this thing that is happening on these content creators known as Nigeria, it's high time we start talking about it, so that the world will see that sometimes they tarnish some private organizations like government parastatals, they tarnish their image, and this is the time for us to talk about it.
Thank you. Now listen, Ken, we hang out one name. I bear you no grudges. When I said I have let him go, I have let him go. Now listen. If anybody pick up this case, that petition or that arrest from IG, from AIG, petition just to punish you. Do you know that? That is another wahala for you. Because they would like to know the bottom of this story. That people now who's in the police in Nigeria as bad people. Do you know that? Don't get yourself, and they will say that this is the same attitude that put you in Ghana, Senegal. They will not remind you that you have been tormenting the authority, that you have been personating, even in Senegal, that all the same thing that lure you into problem. And by then, they will tell you the law that you are violating in Nigeria, which they have already known that neighbor trouble because of the same history. Ken, I want you to learn something. I want him to bring it to your table. Learn how to reject some certain things. Do you know how many things people have brought to my table? Then I decided to reject it. Even at this arrest, I pray and hope nobody will start questioning that arrest to try to find out those police that personated such arrests. And don't be surprised, they may rearrest you to come and bring out what's come about this. Him Jagwaga Gihawo, Achom ki save my video. Makechi. Ash no way Zibo Yiga Wagon on Guneshi. Ezibo Yiki. By then, her charge Yagid Ihibelapia convincing them matter. What you did. I hope they will not further this case. But next time, and do not believe whether Nigeria will lawless country, which they cannot do anything. That you go and all these officers say which you and I know that this is fake. If you like, don't listen to my advice. If you like, you take it. I don't know what's going on with this network thing. Facebook is acting up. I don't know when a page you got kanjo. When page you got do okay. One account that cannot even reply message. One account that can reply. The whole thing is mess. When the page you got, they'll be getting views with others. The thing is so fucked up. So now, Uno the soulless lady. Ya be claim one. No yawa. You how you guys fuck up. Now, the same person claim una na make arrest. Appetizer now another person make arrest. Does that tell all of you now that you guys are being fooled? You guys are fooling people for no reason. Another person claimed no man arrest. Only man arrest. A claim on I don't understand. Which kind views go no chori? This idiot this drunkard. This drunkard did I told me because that man is useless. Because of rubbish trend that will fade away in 2 minutes fame. Only I have anything to offer. I bury Jiggy to trend. It's up to you. If you want to learn, you learn. But I should go on a man again. He just shin and appetite. Try to another anger because of the idiot. And that organ I got you can't take a plan in here. By then, everybody have an answer. One person I know like this is go for the problem. Yeah, Abachana Mugi. Hello, man of God. In on a speaker.
Yeah,
in on a speaker.
Good evening from the wonderful land of Angola.
Okay, ma, does your phone Gabam Koshe name?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
I want to know the side.
Yeah, everything is okay.
That is wonderful. Now, yeah, program I in alone. Although I wanted to learn the program, does it now I won't in alone, and that is wonderful.
Okay.
The other, Edwin, he was on time. If you look at that man, you have frustrated kids. All is very, very frustrated. I was in that video, I've been very disappointed. Even Jpac, I don't know that let's say now. No, on social media, I want to a hard law. No, more of Brenda. I don't think in the hand of me handle it. Like from the beginning, nature no they use already in a hard law. We understand the game they are playing, which is somehow good, somehow bad, because for what the game okay, even can arrest again and based on your past through. The rest of now is a pencil. So Edwin Igwe, Emily Hannah Okenye, Emily Ejiga we rule. A model was a certain thing name is as Okenye. That is room as something. As old as you are, a use good TV as motto, like everyone a deal like this once. A non as one only is very guilty of what he did. Every of the home ones that got another beginning. Jpac is a content creator who use content. You allow yourself to use for this kind of nonsense. It's so shameful. And if you yesterday, only is even pay the way they do something like that. It doesn't make sense. Anyway, now the case for what reason? What offense? Even on the second for so many years, not even nobody. They create a lot of community in the land. Now you know this you will not going to kill at least. They use in fact, a lot of things is going on in our life.
Let nobody petition this thing. Let nobody come up and petition. Actually, who the bottom of this. But then I'm just being honest with you now. Let nobody do this thing now. Petition up for this. Gang up what Dagaria. Because a lot of people Jpac is only after views. I am only praying. Nobody would. Somebody just to petition not to find. Look at the video. Also, let the win delete here. Why are you deleting it? Why are you deleting it? That one alone gets Iggy dance for planning this kind of a dangerous moves. I pray nobody will just get up and say, I will take up this case and see to the bottom of it. And when they just reject have some problem. Oh, and then I just go ahead.
My brother. Anyways, on second thing, as their agenda. Don't allow Jpac to put you on some certain dating act on another family. Only one I want to Jpac will content creator, only goes on controversial issues. But you with personality. Anyways, on certain things, you don't need to allow them to involve your name. Waja is involved. I have one for the police station. This is nonsense. Waja, avoid Jpac on certain act.
Waja is too old for all. I don't know why that man, as respected as I don't understand. No, wow. I hope this thing I get linked to a puna chohoya. I hope it will not get to level una choya.
So why was my brother to go avoid all this kind of nonsense? Doesn't make sense.
Yeah, we have very dark man. Yeah, very dark man. They detain here for 2 or 3 days. The same similar case.
The
same similar case. Oh, Kenny. Yakwa gaga church, gamana what is going on, ga church. Go to church. Because I am seeing that something is wrong somewhere. Go church, my brother, because I'm being the truth.
Even from the beginning of the avoid Jpac. I told him earlier that from the beginning of the letter, forget change was the now the where flight, forget it. Avoid Jpac.
Because you put police in Nigeria one or job. You put him arrest, you claim one him arrest. You put one whole job. I have to be honest, in the name of content, creating view, creating awareness. And all Jpac plan this rubbish. All Jpac contact all this. All these things are rubbish. Ex-convicts, look at they couldn't together. Let me get to school. Let me get to school. Get this thing now. All of you they involved would then come out. Do you do a time about for she Jpac Togeboga on the church? Ebo Kilemona Bello, you police station on Gabel. All of you guys are involved that claim to be a participant in this case. Case Adagaria. I know what I'm saying.
They don't know what they're doing.
Okay.
They can show you. So somehow when I get Alex, somehow I get there. So you get a group of social media. I want it up for it. So you that we're going to up the way. So you that I have to boss very useless setup. Oh, you know content. People need to be careful of everything.
And did they contradict? They contradicted themselves to an extent. It's obvious to notice that all washing.
Of course, I'm very clear.
I didn't even watch the ex-convict video. But as soon as I saw that video, I put one or together. Even if you want to create awareness for Ken to start gay and Diego, because you know this other a platform only can a platform only can a platform he can a lot of people carry it. Yeah, war talk of the day. By then, after then, and you create a second and yeah, one another part 2, part 3. But the way some people begin to question this act. But I hope Oga here. I'm just telling you. Somebody or a police, very dark man. Somebody or a police. Look at how you guys are cajoling police people. I know what I'm saying. When you will not take me as Ogechi video I made today. Alright, man of God. Ogechi video made today. Go and mark it, go and write it. And the Jpac Oge follow Nishi. Oge match Hajiru in to court. Konuga matter the crime on committee. I pray it ends here. I pray no one will call one police officer not in charge. Please investigate this arrest. Ejia Buteruno John na Facebook. Imana those enforcement Hana told him about social media. You know they try to avoid it, and anyone Hageji prove as an example they will do it. And Donya's original police uniform, unegotiable police here Konoga Mado Bell. I pray it will stop here. Ken. What is wrong? Go. Something is definitely wrong. In on a speaker. In on a speaker. Go ahead.
I got to go to other programs. Some of them they create content. Some of them, if I have more sense. When they create their content, they create their content to look so but yesterday, police opposed to Naya came in miss. Now I'm in a can arrest. Then before under the way, you pack well, but I was reading one. Pomandoka. Koto Simandoka. Among the Iraqentana. Then Koto Sichandoka. And what Potaquasia today? Ibruquazi, Potaquazi again, no one's going to win, no one's going to win, need to go away where you're my. They're going to win the Kihuna Yakana. Nana, Nakeno Malagin. Edwin, go over American arrest. Then a platform, Gidena, no American arrest. Manago arrest. When all the Gona Ketana, even somebody arrest, then you better platform Ganasana, then we put a mother, I go on your boat, we'll put them a mother, and the upper going Mario. And then nobody entered it again. Edwin, I want to see Nigeria talking.
Mamo.
Because the guy, since he, I'm not since last year, called Nigeria. Honor here from Okulala. Didn't do Catando, Catalia, now village. No one don't know one agent, I know none. No, I would see the best. Was you quite there? I didn't go surprise of who was here. But the other day, like a woo, a woman. On kidney, no, Nimoto, not a boy, a hollow banana. When I call on Nimoto, Lugobosia, no mania cantanko, on a banana or a hall. Naraquazi and desire. Not because if I did give about that idea.
Unyara madman.
You watch doing Nimoto, Jpac. Can't remember arrest. I want to wear the corner, or the oil the corner arrest.
Thank you.
You want to win on Moto. You know, Moto, go on, but arrest. I be a yogi picture with the bell. You know, you go on your judge in Azumoto. What is it? Or did they go on camera?
I guess, yes.
So, their package was in no hypocrisy. Everybody who's in no content creator, only on social media was content creator.
Okay, yes.
When your man left our life, their own channel knows content, go made winner, so put on the content creator. And do my watch now, I hear me.
And them back. Our enemy, and the enemy Ogechi.
Go to each other, but the good days will go be a motor and a program. Every on. Watch out, I don't make winning car, no one out for calls is over. Blue when they may fall for no more nonsense. I never. Their party because you're okay. If I yesterday, oh, yeah, I put out now a particular person won't look. If I yesterday, even do money through social media. Nandoka didn't can, and look at the even do come to the Jpac.
Mamo.
Even do come to the Jpac. If I know if on plan. Then he put up someone on Doka. Put us on Doka from boss ready. Put us today and I ready to win. Edwin, not my mom on the Zion corner, and I remember the arrest. Or you depend you were for go to your mama arrest. Touch on your arrest, all man is smart, I can't wait a can arrest about your waffle. Get out on the Mexican arrest. As you go, I don't know why you are Katana, and then a create Nani would very, very bad.
Very useless, very useless human being. Police have warning. Have warning. They should stop getting them involved in this. Mama only had a genuine one naira.
It's one that create this content. Often one the richest content creators in Nigeria. No, now we have about food. So government should lose one election with why? You can also put on the content creator. Onyana why you on put on Facebook or not, I could say on live video every day. No, not video. Anu bush meeting in on him or bone. You know, you see about the budget boss. Now, what do you? When you're on a video, you're not bone, no, I'm bone, no, live video, name here. You put on social media, Bamba. Very. I'm telling you, just put them on social media. You don't know big man. You don't know.
I'm telling. That's
so na social media raba. Onwe zo yemo onye karịrị. Onye ọna uchi content creator, onye ọna. Na kenu na onwe kwesịrị iji blade gị. Okay, ka asụgo na iji ọsọ pụta from nga n'isi akpọkọbe ego ọnụ. Enwetara gị ụdị idea. Ịma na last one imere ka iji wee jee nga na Senegal. Ịpụtakwa again, bịa bụrụkwa plank. Ịpụtakwa Nigeria, bịa bụrụkwa plank, bịa bụrụkwa ụdị nonsense plank again kwa.
Amam why can't you allow these people to use him to use
in the Jigos Nigeria had a law because he may in Senegal, he may in Senegal. I go seeking a lot now, the Loboda, Jenga for it, not 8 months. If I tell Nigeria, the first content you create in Nigeria, I wish you want a police, they are blue Nigeria.
And my brother, because of this point in email, can I get take a case up? Oh, other country take action. So you think we will not take action? Go and mark my words.
They mark
my words.
On our boss, will will channel, will come and
in the Nigerian is the handcuff. That one is a no. Oh.
Why you don't know that you know what I know there was no natural go Facebook. I go to Facebook. Why you let you board now? I go to Facebook. Yeah,
Mamo. Me, I got backfire. What about backfire?
Let's do it. Spoon. Can't do it now. Spoon. Can I do it?
Oh, well, they want to get his base.
It's not on my. Budget has done. Budget has done because. Budget has done. Only the ambassador. Only the ambassador to win.
Judas
need the ambassador to win. Hey. So I'm Katamaya will work. Nah, you can't go and divide you bazwa. Now, oh, you wouldn't want to win on Koya. Hey, so good. I got a car. So, yeah, I didn't have a own daughter in my case. Oh, yeah,
don't. Yeah, no.
I don't want to Jpac the good in all those states. Oh, about the ego is weapon, don't you? About ego is weapon, don't you? Hey! I'm going to Christmas and already too much now because it worry I got it too much. Go to my shop now. Go to my shop now, but now all this way. Congratulations, Governor and the Abia State here shop now by
Onyoshi.
Because when the young one to go to China, not
Onyoshi. And a shop now.
But why
what did you go with the Zoro?
Why the young one machine young will go to China, not to go.
On the way on Abia.
Because Imana Governor Eziokwu ọ na-ama how long ihe na-anọ na mmiri were abata ọ mgbe moto nwa agụ abatara Jpac o kwesịrị irute na my Jpac ekwesịrị ya na machine ya so lechana na ha gosipụ anyị mgbe ha nne ndị ewejara isi ike
bye bye nwanne m nwoke so as they see they play make una trade with caution. My anger with Jpac and the ex-convicts, or what they can they go the confuse them, but you have to be careful. My problem with those two he-goats, and the kind of Itebre Germany, they are my anger. And what I go? Happen on my like cucumber in peace.